Understanding Reelection, a simple guide. Hello, English enthusiasts. Welcome to our language learning journey. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind a frequently used political term, reelection. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your English proficiency, this video is tailored to help you grasp the concept and use it correctly in your conversations. So, let's dive in. Reelection refers to the act of being elected again. The prefix re means again or back, which, when combined with the word election, gives us reelection. It's a term often used in the context of politics. When a politician who is currently in office runs for the same position and wins, they are said to have been re-elected. Re-election is significant in democratic systems, where leaders are chosen through voting. A re-election campaign is the process where current officials campaign to win another term in office. This period is crucial for politicians to show the public what they've accomplished during their current term and what they plan to do if granted an additional term. The concept of re-election is pivotal because it reflects the will of the people. It's a testament to a politician's performance, popularity, and policy effectiveness. Being re-elected can also be seen as a form of public endorsement of their leadership and past work. Additionally, it gives politicians a chance to continue their policies and see through long-term projects. To solidify your understanding, let's use re-election in some example sentences. The mayor is focusing on environmental issues for his re-election bid. After a successful first term, the president announced her re-election campaign. Remember, re-election is specific to an individual and their position, and it's usually used in relation to formal roles or jobs, especially in government. Here are some tips for remembering how to use re-election. Associate re-election with continuity and stability in political offices. Think of the prefix re to remember other words that involve doing something again, like redo or reapply. That's a wrap on today's topic of re-election. I hope this explanation helps you get a clearer picture of this fundamental political term and you feel more confident using it in your discussions about politics and governance. Keep practicing, and you'll master the art of political terminology in no time. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.